you have a problem like that. It's not very easy to forget, but at least you try to forget, okay? Are you not taking your meal? Don't fast your meal because that is not good to your health, Netish Burma. Okay, take your meal already na because it's already late. Okay, bye my friend. See you. Thank you for your time and about your problem. God will heal you, okay? God will help you to forget her. Bye bye. Good night, Nitish Verma.